Before using your Sharp Countertop Microwave Oven for the first time, the blue protective film needs to be removed. The protective film is used to prevent scratches or scuffing to the cabinet during shipping. If you operate your Sharp Countertop Microwave Oven without removing the blue protective film, the film may begin to melt or produce an unpleasant smell. To remove the protective film, first find the corner near the bottom front of the cabinet. Then slowly peel the film off of the cover. Make sure the protective film is completely removed from the cabinet. Next, locate the pull tab for the protective film covering the control panel. Pull this tab to remove this film. Once all of the blue protective film has been removed, your new Sharp Countertop Microwave Oven is ready to use.